So you join us as we're on our way to a little Lotus meeting called Seriously Lotus, and I've only just got Eric the Esprit back from Dr. Ketley, and we just checked all our levels, and they appear to be good. So we're off. We'll catch up with you in a little while, and see how we're getting on. We're supposed to be an hour and 13 away, 45 miles, so we'll give it a shot. Wish me luck. Lovely morning on the Wolds. So we're just near East and West Luton, and there's a few daffodils out which look spectacular. And we're off. Oh dear, missing a bit. Simply Lotus with Eric the Esprit, or Ernie, or whatever he's called, but there's a lot of Lotuses. There's my mate Dave with his Esprit, only 2 Esprits here, and everything else, well no, not everything else, let's just go and show you around. I'm going to swap you around. This is a very early Lotus Cortina, but it's got a console badge on the front, and that's because in the early days of the Cortina, Ford were worried they were going to lose the console market because they discontinued that. So anyway, they put console on the bonnet of the Cortina, but only for a year. So as you can see, she says Cortina on the dash, and my word, is it in good nick. It's a lovely motor car. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And then in the garage behind it is another very rare motor, Lotus Carlton. So 3.6 litre, 24 valve, twin turbo, and this is in a gorgeous metallic green. It maybe looks black here, but it is green, and it is lovely. And apparently it's only done about 10,000 miles. So yeah, Lotus Carlton. So it's a gorgeous thing. Here we have a gaggle of Elans. Lovely old cars. Absolutely lovely. One red, one yellow, one green, one another green, etc., etc. I'm here with Eric or Ernie, depending on your point of view, the Esprit. Just come back from the garage and just been to Simply Lotus for a bit of a run out, just to sort of see where we're at really. And I'll turn you around so you don't have to look at my mug all the time. Eric and Ernie Veer spray, and it is just the best looking car. It's fantastic. This might not be the best example of an Esprit, but it's acceptable. It's an S3, and so that's third generation, the last generation in the Giugiaro styled body. The later ones, the 180s or the Peter, whoever his name was, who redesigned, they rounded it off basically, and some like this, some like the other. I like this. And so I've already released the boot lid, because most of what's happened with it has been engine wise, and this is the engine in here. So this cover, I don't know if I can do it one-handed. I don't think I can. One moment. There we go. So that's the engine cover off, and there is the mighty Lotus 2.2 litre canted twin cam. There's the other cam. Twin cam engine, naturally aspirated with twin Weber carbs, and maybe not that easy to see, but we've got rubber hoses all around that indicate new Jubilee clips. All that's been redone, so that's all good.